Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video, and you are watching Lemuria Man YouTube channel, and this is Ram. If you are watching first time our channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. And always there is one question people are asking: if no proper notice period, okay, what will happen? Our followers are saying that I dropped a mail to my previous employer saying that I'm not feeling well, I'm not good, I'm going to resign. The dropping mail is very easy, right, from your side. You can drop multiple mail, even hundreds of mail. Okay. The point is you must get response from the HR or the corporate companies. We are accepting your relieving letter, and this is your last working day, and submit your asset. Along with that, you need to submit your asset. You should not have any company's property. If you return your asset, definitely you must have mail communication. This is asset number, and I returned all companies related asset to organization or to head office. So this is the dated, this is the mail communication. You must have that. Simply what I'm saying, so each and every organization have different kind of notice period. Okay, if you don't perform properly, they will send you out immediately. However, in offer letter they will mention only 1 month notice period. If you relieve, if you try to relieve before 6 months or before 6 months, definitely notice period will be 1 month. However, if they deploy to the client, definitely they will try to bill you. They will try to get revenue. If you resign early, once you deployed it to client, definitely there is a loss. Okay, and they will inform you to client. They will start you to bill. They will get revenue from client based on your work. Okay, that is how software companies are working. So that is the software consulting. Okay, and you will work something, client will pay for that. If you don't work or if you relieve early, definitely there is a loss. You cannot bill them, you cannot submit timesheet, you cannot do any work, which means no amount from client side. So that is why people are pushing you to work at least 90 days in order to get revenue at least next 90 days. Otherwise, you need to pay out, you need to pay the amount and get the proper relief letter. And coming to this point, okay, most of the people thinking that if I drop mail to them, simple, that's it, nothing will happen. I dropped mail to them, I said I resigned, and then that's how I came out from that organization. I returned all the assets. That is completely not good thing. Okay, if you join in an organization, definitely you need to submit proper documents. Also your personal informations, especially your Aadhaar number, PAN number, your account number. Okay, organizations also spending money on you, right? Okay, they are investing money on you. Definitely I am not favoring to organizations. So what is the fact happening in the market? So that is what I'm educating in this video. If you drop mail, very easy, that mail definitely will reach to HR, no doubt on that. The point is you must get a response saying that okay, we accept your resignation, or you need to initiate your resignation in the system, in the organization portal. Okay, you need to initiate your resignation and you need to relieve properly. If you don't relieve properly, definitely they will not give relief letter. Otherwise, if they log PF account, we cannot delete it, we cannot remove it. That will create another problem. If they don't create PF account, we may handle in different way. Okay, if you want to hide any one company, that organization name should not reflect anywhere digitally. Okay, I repeat, if you want to delete any one organization or multiple organization, that company name should not register digitally anywhere. So this is the point. And so conclusion of this video is you must provide proper relief letter, or you must receive proper relieving mail. This is your last working day, and after sending that mail, they should respond for background verification. Okay, if you show this organization, they should respond. If you don't show this organization during the background verification, if they suspect, so this is the organization, this is very short duration, however you have not declared in your background verification form and resume. If they raise the question, you should have proper justification along with proper relieving letter or relieving mail, which is most important. So that is the one thing I want to communicate to you people. And please understand things. Okay, just today, I think today I'm capturing this video. Today morning I came on live. In that live also I explained corporate companies don't believe you. Okay, that is why they are doing background verification, right? If they believe you, why they are doing the background verification? Okay, they trust you based on the interview. They evaluated your skill. Okay, that evaluated skill, whatever you have, that is true or not. That is why they are doing the background verification. Hope you got the clear picture. Okay, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Whatever is happening in the market, what is the fact happening in the market, that is what I'm educating you. And some of the people doesn't have proper knowledge on this, and they are giving different comments. I don't care about that. Okay, so thank you so much. All the best. Hope this video will give you wonderful information to you, and always subscribe and share to your friends. Take care. Bye bye.